Hi all. So in the last session we saw how can we handle alert in Selenium. In today's video tutorial I am going to show you how can we handle conform and prompt. So last time we executed this script where we handled one alert and we executed the script against Edge browser. So now if I want to execute the script against Chrome browser, all I have to do is I just have to change this browser value. Before it was Edge and now I have changed it to Chrome. So let me run this script. So it has opened Chrome browser. So it clicked on try it button and see I have fetched the alert text and it clicked on OK also. That is the reason the alert went away, right? So what if I want to handle conform? So if you see, this is something called as conform, right? So if I click on this try it, so I am getting this conform with OK and cancel button. So in this case, you can either click on OK or you can click on cancel button. So how to do that? So all I have to do is I just have to change the URL. So I'll come here and I'll just change its URL. Okay. The script will remain same, but like if you want to click on OK, then you have to call this except method by using the reference variable of alert interface, or else if you want to click on cancel, then you have to call one method that is called as dismiss. So you have tried alert dot dismiss. Okay, so I am just commenting this out. So let me run the script again. So it has opened my Chrome browser. It's getting loaded. So it has clicked on try it button. It is still running. So if you see, I have fetched the alert text, press a button, and it has clicked on cancel because we have called this dismiss method. So this is how we can handle conform. So now I will show you how can we handle prompt. So if you see, so this will be our application URL. So if I click here, try it yourself. If you see here, you are getting one option, right? Click the button to demonstrate the prompt box. So if you click on this, you will get this prompt where you will have one edit box. You can enter something and you can click on OK, right? So hello Harry Potter, how are you today, right? So I can enter anything here. Okay, I can just remove this uh, pre-filled value and I can enter anything on my own, right? So let's see how can we handle this. So I'll take this particular URL and I will change it now. Okay, so I don't have to change anything else because here also we are switching to alert and I'm fetching the alert text. But before that, if you see, like, we have an edit box, right? So to enter something, we can use the send keys method. So I just write alert dot send keys and I can give anything here, like say I can give something like, suppose I'll give my name, suppose. Okay, and after that I just have to click on OK. Okay, because if I click on cancel, I will not get that text. So I'll just click on OK. So now I'll save this and I will give some time so that you will be able to see. So I'll just write here thread dot sleep 3 seconds. Okay, so let's run this script. So this time, so let's run it using Edge browser. So I just have to change the value of browser variable. Let me run this. Okay, so if you see, I'm getting here, right? Hello Rajendra, how are you today? That means it has entered my name. Okay, so this is how we can handle prompt. And if you see, like, I have also fetched the alert text and the alert text is please enter your name. Okay, so let's run it using Chrome browser also. So I'll change it to Chrome and I'll run the script again. So it has opened my Chrome browser. It clicked on try it. And if you see, I'm getting this text, right? So it has entered my name. So this is how we can handle conform and prompt in Selenium. Thank you for watching this video.